Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a Independence Day special wristband. So this is a very easy way of making a wristband and it's useful too. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a square sheet of paper. So first step is that we have to fold it in half. So I'm folding it in half. After I'm done folding it, we have to take a scissor and we have to cut it in the middle. So now I'm folding both the rectangles into 3 parts. Like this. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite rectangle too. On the other rectangle. Like this. So next step is that I'm taking a glue bottle and applying some glue on the top of this rectangle. And I'm sticking this part on top of it. Like this. So now I'm applying glue on top of this part and I'm sticking the other part on top. So we have to repeat the same step until all the paper is over. So I'm folding it. So we have to do it slowly or it will mess up. So after we're done sticking, I'm taking a scissor and I'm cutting the remaining part out. Like this. Now we have a square piece. So we have to make a green one and white one in the same way. So next step is that I'm taking a blue pen. You guys can take a marker or a pen. So now I'm drawing a circle in the middle of this. Like this. Now I'm drawing lines inside the circle. Like this. So next step is that I'm taking a rectangular white sheet of paper and I'm folding it a little bit. And I'm folding it one more time. And we have to keep on folding it until all the paper is over. So after we're done folding, I'm taking a glue bottle and I'm gluing the part. So now I'm sticking the top part to the bottom. Like this. Next step is that you have to apply some glue on the orange part. And we have to stick it to this white part. Now I'm applying glue in the band and I'm sticking the white part to it. Next I'm sticking the green part like this. So now we have to fold the band. We have to press on it so that it will be easy to fold it. Now we have to twist it and we have to slide it inside the little hole that will be there. Now I'm applying some glue on this part, on the corner part, and I'm sticking both sides of the band together like this. Now our paper Independence Day special, this band is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a band. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!